Hey, Matt Mathersum here with Math Madness. Thank you so much for joining us and being a part of the program today. Well, today I thought we would solve a word problem using sequences. So let me set up the scenario. Let's say that we've been hired by a movie theater as an usher. And part of our compensation package, besides that fat check, is that we get to watch the movies for free, okay? Not only that, we get to bring some friends with us as well. Now, this movie theater has reserved the last row and the middle section of this theater for us and our friends. What we have to find out, though, is how many seats are in this last row, okay? Here's the caveat. Each row increases by 1. From the first row all the way back to the last row that we're looking for. That's why we have to use arithmetic sequence. And let's look at that formula right now. And here it is in all its glory. And what does this mean? Well, we're going to plug in some numbers here in just a minute, and I'll explain what this means. It'll be much more clear if we do it that way, okay? But first, let's look at our movie theater. Let's pretend that we're looking down on the audience. We're from above. This is our first row, and it's got 26 seats. And we are looking for this number right here. How many seats are in this last row, the 25th row? We've got one row going all the way to 25, and they increase by 1. We've got all the numbers we need to plug in to our sequence here. Let's just do this and knock it out. All right, well, our a sub n number is what? Well, that's our total, isn't it? That's the 25. So we can now make n equal to 25. So let's just do that. All right, we've got a sub 25 is equivalent to all of this mess. What is all this mess? Let's just plug in the numbers right now and take care of it. The a sub 1 is our very first number in the sequence. Well, we said that's 26 seats, so 26 is our first number in this sequence. We're going to add that to what's in the parentheses here, this n minus 1. Well, what is n? Well, we've already established that n is 25. That's the total number of rows in this particular section. So we're just going to add the 25 minus 1, 24. So far we've got 26 plus 24. Well, what is this multiplied by this d? Remember when I said each row increases by 1? That is the distance that we are entertaining, and that distance in our particular case is 1, so it doesn't really change the value of this too much, does it? No. So let's just go ahead. I'm going to bring down our a sub 25 because that is going to be equal to this right here. Well, what is 26 plus 24? 50, and 50 times 1 gives us, right, 50. So we have 50 seats in the last row. That may or may not be enough to invite our friends, right? Well, that's all the time we have for you here on Math Madness. I am Matt Mathersum, and I will see you anon.